Okay, we are at the Wyndham Bayside in room 581. First thing in, you will see the bathroom. This one's a little smaller than some of the rooms we've stayed at, so it does have a bathroom right in off the door. Here's our tub, and it does have body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Pretty big shower head. There are little vanity kits, shower caps. There's a blow dryer in here. I'll take that out later. Let's see. There's some towels down here and the sink. You have a full-length mirror. There is an adjoining door to this room. Comes with a chair. We have 2 double beds. Here's the controls for the air conditioning. 2 double beds. A lamp in the middle with some plugs, regular plugs, not USB. The phone, little drawer. Over here you have the TV with the TV guide channel lineup and the remote, ice bucket. And here is going to be your safe and your refrigerator. It's a very teeny refrigerator. And with your safe, there's no microwave, but there is a Cuisinart little coffee maker with some of the coffee there. Now here's the reason we get this room. It's this view right here. When we come in for a cruise, what we love to do is get one of the Bayside view rooms, and we go out onto the balcony and we can watch the ship pull in the morning. So you unlock it by pulling that up, pulling that over, you can open it and check out this view. That's the port right across the street, Port of San Diego. There are 2 ships that can dock at any time. One's on this side and then one's over here. You have the naval ship over there. I forget what it's called. It's the USS, something. We'll get that in there. And then over here, you can see there's the portside pier right down there. And then further down is going to be that pirate ship. That's a maritime museum. And you can even see the airport from here and the different buildings. We are in Tower 3 right now. Tower 3 is going to have the best view of the ship in the morning. But it's great. This little balcony, it's small. It's not very large, but it holds 2 chairs comfortably with a little table in between. Right underneath Tower 3 is where they have the Boar's Head restaurant. To the right, you will come to the rest of the hotel and you will get to see everything else. I hope you enjoyed our view from our room. Can't wait to watch the ship come in the morning. Here she is, Disney Magic, coming into port, San Diego, from the balcony of our room, 581, the Wyndham, Tower 3. So we are in room 581 at the Wyndham Bayside. One of our favorite things to do is stay in one of these rooms here. This is Tower 3 because the view is incredible. This morning we were able to wake up about 6:20, 6:15 and watch the ship come in. And here is our view from our room. So the Disney Magic is here. We have a princess ship docked next to us. Down here we have the naval ship. Still don't know the name. It's USS Midway, I believe. That's also where Seaport Village is. Right here between the 2 ships, you'll see a crosswalk. That's the crosswalk to get to the port. And then down this way, they have this portside pier that has some restaurants in it and a coffee shop. And then you can kind of see a sailboat right there. That's a maritime museum. Across the street from that, on this side, is going to be a very big playground. And right underneath us here by that crosswalk is our favorite breakfast place, the Hazelwood Cafe. Okay, room 581 is right off by the ice maker here. This is Tower 3 and the elevator. Now there's 3 elevators in this tower. This one at the very end right in front of us, that's the one that we always feel lucky getting because it's glass. So you can actually see out to the skyline of San Diego. Okay, we are headed to our favorite breakfast place.
Mom, we didn't do the curtain.
This is out of Tower 3. So Tower 3 is right here. It's one of the shorter towers here in the front. And right underneath, there's the Disney magic. Right to the right is our favorite place to eat breakfast when we come here. And that's the Hazelwood, I think it's called the Hazelwood Cafe. Yep, Hazelwood on the bay. Here it is. They have breakfast, they have lunch, they have dinner. Let's take a look at what they have. My favorite thing to get for breakfast, they have a bagel sandwich that's delicious. They have a kids' French toast.
Grown French toast.
White wheat, rye, or sourdough? Okay. Something to drink for you? Okay.
Wow, they have so much stuff.
Automatically. I think I called before, so I'm not calling. Martha, right now is the Medicare annual enrollment.
So this is Tower 3 of the Wyndham Bayside with the Hazelwood Cafe underneath. Attached to the hotel is Ruth Chris Steakhouse. That's right here. And as we pass Ruth Chris, we'll get to the front of the hotel. So this is the Wyndham San Diego Bayside. There are a couple Wyndhams in this area, so you'll want to make sure if you want to stay across the street from the Port of San Diego that you choose the Wyndham San Diego Bayside. If you want a view of the bay, you have to choose a Bayview room. So as we pass Ruth Chris Steakhouse, here we are. This is the walkway from the main building here, the lobby, to Tower 3. You'll just walk right here along the back. To get into Tower 3, you will use your key card. This is their parking lot back here. If you book it far enough in advance, you can actually park there for your cruise. Now here's a lobby entrance you can use, but we're going to go through the front. They do have a shuttle to the airport that runs every 30 minutes. That's included in the cost of the stay. There are 3 restaurants connected to the Wyndham Bayside. You have the Hazelwood Cafe. You have Claim Jumpers, which is in the lobby area. And you also have Ruth Chris Steakhouse. It's a great location to come and stay, especially if you're going to be cruising and you just need a place that's close by. Here's the bell desk. And there's Claim Jumpers. And here's the lobby. They have a gift shop to the right of the entrance with an elevator. They have San Diego merchandise in here. Some fun little gifts and trinkets that you could get. It's a nice size shop. They have little stickers and ornaments. They also have sunscreens and, of course, medicines and travel accessories, a freezer with ice cream, shoes, swimwear, anything you could possibly have forgotten, they probably have in here. They also have a refrigerated section and some chips, books, more snacks. Hi. And then they have some more specialty items here. We always find fun things. They have little backpacks and more San Diego merchandise. Some cute sweaters. So right across from the gift shop. So the gift shop is open 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. They do have an ATM machine here. And this has a conference area, fitness center, pool. There's 3 towers. The Claim Jumper has breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It starts operating at 6:30. We've eaten there before for breakfast before we've left. Here's the lobby. This is the hallway down to Tower 3. This is the main lobby connected to both Towers 1 and 2. Outside you'll see the pool area. It's a nice sized pool. We've used it before. This is also where you will see the fitness area. So as we come out, you have a pool here. It goes from 3.5 feet, 4.5 feet to 8.5 feet. It's a very deep pool. Goes pretty far. The fitness area is right here. It looks like they have some treadmills and some stair steppers, basic cardio equipment for the fitness center. And then porthole room. So that's one of their conference rooms there. They do have towels down here and a towel return. And then they have a separate fitness center area that has some weight machines. Not free weights, but just a weight machine. They have some water in there, it looks like. And just some machines in there. Some workout towels as well. So there's no spa here. It's just a pool. As we enter back into... Oh, thank you. Good morning. Thank you so much. Here's the ballroom. Now they do have a little corner cafe. They serve Starbucks coffee here. It's not going to be your full Starbucks bar, but they do make a little bit fancier drinks than they do over at the other one. Here is one of those fancy little elevators with the glass. So as we go straight here, this is just going to be more of the ballrooms. It looks like they have a conference here today. And that pretty much takes care of the offerings of this hotel. It's a nice hotel, very clean, very quiet. Has a lot to offer, being located across the street from the port. With the conference area. And 3 restaurants, so that's nice too. And they open early at like 6 o'clock in the morning, so that's really awesome. We've stayed here probably like 8 to 10 times. Every time we go out of San Diego, we actually will stay here the night before with the Bayview room. We were contemplating going to a different hotel this time because we were trying to save a little bit of money, but we realized that all the hotels in this area, about the same, about $250 a night. So to $300. So it didn't really save us any money. And this is such a central location to everything, like you'll see today, that it was totally worth it. Waking up to the ship this morning was great. Here is the Claim Jumper menu.